look up at the night sky. Those stunning rings of Saturn might be hiding a dark truth. What if they signal a looming danger in the universe? Our reliance on technology to explore space is at risk of catastrophic miscalculations. A, often seen as a reliable tool, could misinterpret how planetary rings form, leading to dire consequences. Imagine if the same algorithms guiding our telescopes might misjudge celestial movements. These aren't just numbers, they could be urgent warnings that fundamentally alter our understanding of the cosmos. Picture yourself standing on a distant moon, expecting to see beautiful rings, only to witness chaos instead. What if satellites miscalculated, causing debris to collide rather than orbiting smoothly? As we push deeper into space, the stakes rise. Miscalculations are not merely hypothetical, they are real threats. A single miscalculated trajectory could send a satellite crashing into a gas giant, triggering a chain reaction that impacts entire solar systems. Every time we let make decisions about space, we gamble with our future. Technology is infallible. Imagine the horror of realizing too late that we miscalculated our journey through the cosmos. To mitigate these risks, we must prioritize human oversight especially in space exploration. Relying solely on machines could lead us into unforeseen cosmic disasters. Reflect on your relationship with technology. Are you placing too much trust in it? The rings of Saturn remind us that beauty can conceal hidden risks. Stay vigilant, the universe is vast, and its secrets may be more dangerous than we realize. Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered what secrets lay within the rings of distant planets? What if I told you those stunning bands might be hiding something unsettling? The rings of Saturn are mesmerizing, but the forces shaping them could be more precarious than we think. Many of us admire these celestial wonders, blissfully unaware of the hidden risks involved in their formation. Now, picture a future where artificial intelligence simulates the creation of these rings. Sounds harmless, right? But what if errors in these simulations could lead to disastrous outcomes? It's a chilling thought that often goes unnoticed. When scientists use AI to model planetary systems, they rely on algorithms that can sometimes miss critical details. A small miscalculation could mean the difference between a stable ring system and one that spirals into chaos. Imagine it standing on a distant moon, witnessing a beautiful ring system transform into a violent storm of debris. It's a disturbing image, isn't it? If A misjudges the processes that form these rings, it could alter our understanding of planetary bodies. This might change how we view planet evolution, or, even more concerning, how life elsewhere in the universe could be affected. What if those sparkling circles aren't just beautiful? What if they were ticking time bombs waiting to explode? The tension rises as we realize how fragile these cosmic structures might be, shaped by forces beyond our control. But there's hope if we choose to pursue it. We need to enhance our models, feed them better data, and ensure that human intuition guides the machines. By doing so, we can mitigate some of the risks tied to these calculations. As we admire those rings from millions of miles away, let's remember the unseen complexities behind their beauty. The next time you look up, take a moment to reflect on what we might still be missing. Did you know that Saturn's rings might offer insights into our own existence? Picture this vast, icy particles drifting in space, forming breathtaking rings around a gas giant. However, there's a hidden risk in how these planetary ring systems develop. You might wonder what could go wrong. The truth is the A systems we rely on to decode these cosmic wonders could miscalculate how the rings form. We often trust technology without a second thought, and this is a risk many don't even realize exists. Imagine using Yorex in an unfamiliar city. If it miscalculates your route, you could end up lost, perhaps in a sketchy area. A similar miscalculation could occur in the vastness of space, leading to serious misunderstandings about the formation and evolution of planetary rings. As we delve into the mysteries of these celestial structures, we must also consider the potential fallout from A errors. These systems analyze data from light years away and process it almost instantly. But what if they misinterpret the patterns of dust and ice? Think about it. If you were building a model of the solar system, every piece needs to fit perfectly. If even one tiny part is off, the whole model could collapse. That's the risk we face with A in studying planetary rings. A mistake could reshape our understanding and impact our future. So, what happens if these errors go unnoticed? Astronomers might base theories on flawed data, altering our views on planet formation. We could end up believing things that are simply not true. As we inch closer to unraveling the secrets of these incredible rings, we must ask ourselves, are we prepared for the potential fallout from an A that miscalculates their formation? The stakes are higher than we think. Imagine a world where our understanding of the universe hinges on incorrect information. How would that change everything we know? The implications are vast, and the tension is rising. What can we do about it? We need to ensure A systems are continuously monitored and refined. A partnership between human insight and technological precision is essential. By doing this, we can safeguard our explorations and discoveries. Next time you gaze at the night sky, remember the beauty of those rings